In our previous class, we had seen how to make use of the in operator and provide the list of values while creating the select statement in SQL. Now in this class, we are going to learn about how to provide the range of values in the where condition when we write the SQL select statement. If we want to fetch the toys from the toy table whose price is greater than 100 or greater than $10 or between some range, then how we can do that we are going to learn in this class. Now let me just remove this over here. If you look at the operators which are supported in the where clause, I am making use of this W3 schools documentation. Here, this page we had already seen in our previous section, but we didn't dive deep into this concepts. But here we will explain in brief about how to use the operators. Now suppose if you want to fetch the toys whose price is equal to 10, then we can make use of this equal to operator. Suppose if you want to fetch the toys whose price is greater than 10, we can make use of greater than. Similarly, we can use less than or equal to greater than. If we want to fetch the toys whose price is not equal to 10, it will fetch all the toy details apart from the toy whose price is 10. So this is something called as negation or not equal to. Between is used in order to fetch the range of values. So like is something like a contains clause what we have in JavaScript. Similar like that, we can make use of this like. So if it matches with something like that pattern, then we can fetch the toy name. We had already seen in our previous class. Now I have created this samples over here. For example, if we want to find the all toys from the toys table whose cost is less than 10, then we can make use of this less than operator. Let me just copy from here and run in our SQL server. Let me just run this. Now here we are getting all the toys whose price is less than 10. If you want to fetch those toys whose value is greater than 6 or equal to 6, then we can combine greater than, along with that we can put is equal to. So this is also available over here, greater than or equal to. You can have a look at this table which is provided in SQL where condition section in the W3 schools. So let me just copy this from here, paste it and run. Now we have to get the toy details whose price is greater than 6. Here we are getting all the toys whose value is 6 and greater than 6. If we just remove this and put only greater than and run this statement, we should get only 2 records and we shouldn't get the toy whose price is 6 because we are having only price greater than 6 condition over here. You can also use this condition between. So between clause, if we want to find the toys whose range is between so and so value, then we can make use of this between. So this will return the rows with the values from a lower to an upper bound. So this is inclusive. Inclusive means so 6 is included and 20 is included when we write between. So it returns the rows with the values matching either the limit. So the following gets all the data with the price equal to 6 or 20 or any value between these two. So between 6 and 20, which is including 6 and 20, all the toy details we will get. Let me just run this. Select and run. Here if you see, we are getting the toy details whose value is 6 and between 6 and 20. So both are inclusive, 20 and 6. If there is any toy whose price is 20, then that will also come over here. Now this we can write in some other way as well. That is by making use of operators greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. So this will also fetch the same result. What we get with this between clause or the operator. Suppose if you want to exclude the rows at either boundary. Suppose we are not interested in getting the toy whose value is 6 but greater than 6 and less than or equal to 20, means 20 is inclusive, 6 we don't want. Then also we can make use of these operators, that is price is greater than 6 and less than or equal to 20. In this case, the toy whose price is equal to 6, it won't be fetched in the results. But apart from that, between 6 and 20, everything will be fetched. That is excluding toy whose price is 6.